on luxury goods. I do videos on skin and foundation. So if you guys are new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I am coming out with a lot of videos this year and I am so excited about it. 2019 is going to be an awesome year. And just to let everybody know that's been watching my channel, that's a subscriber, I passed my real estate exam, you guys, both of them, the national and the state exam. I am so excited. I was a little scared because I have 4 other people that I'm going to be working with that did the exam before me, and each one only passed 1. So I passed both of them and I'm so excited. I dedicated myself so much. So if I haven't responded to you guys or watched y'all's videos, please do not take it personally. I've had to study so much and it's been really hard, and I've been really trying to support everyone else as well. And I am going to have to work really hard, so please be patient with me. I am doing my best to also support you guys, and I'm also enjoying watching y'all's videos and doing all that. So, and I do want to thank you guys. But today is a video of my Valentine's gift my husband had got me. First of all, let me drink some wine here. Okay. First of all, I came home from the gym and I saw this beautiful bouquet. Well, this red flower did not come with it. I got that from work, but I threw it in there and I just think it's so gorgeous. It was unexpected. I was so excited. I'm in a different room today because my daughter has a bunch of friends here and I didn't want to be interrupted, so I kind of crammed myself into this corner, so I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, another thing my husband got me as well, and this is one of my top favorite chocolates, you guys. I don't know if anybody's had it, but it is the Godiva Cherry Cordial. I told him, if you're going to get me anything, this is what I want, right here. Cherry cordials and a card. This is just like my top favorite. I've been eating these cherry cordials for years, and every year for Valentine's or my birthday, Mother's Day, I expect these, okay? I love these things. Okay, so anyways, with further ado, before I start, I've been asked a handful of times how my name is spelt, more than a handful of times. So my name is spelled D like Diane, okay, so D-E-L-E-E-N. So I know it sounds simple and it sounds common, but it's spelt different. I've been asked if my name was Celine or Daleen or I don't know, just different, but it's normal for me. I've had people ask me all my life, and my middle name is not any easier. It's Yoshie. So usually when I give people my name or when I go to the coffee shop, I tell them Yoshi because everyone knows Yoshi Mario Kart. So, or majority of people know that anyway. So with further ado, let me go ahead and show you what my husband got me. I am so excited today. So I don't know if you guys can guess what it is. Now, one of them was spoken about on my wish list, but it's not the exact brand that I wanted. But when I saw this one, oh my goodness, I had to have it. Okay, I thought it was so cute. So it came in this little dust bag here. And look at the color. This is perfect for Valentine's, y'all. Ta-da! That is so pretty. Look at that. I love it. It is called, the color is pink is what it's called. It is such a pretty pale pink color. And as you guys know, and I've mentioned before, pink is one of my favorite colors. And I've been wanting another card holder. And this one is so perfect. I did mention in my wish list that I wanted a Saint Laurent one, but when I saw this one, I had to have it. And it's mainly because the color and the GG, the antique gold, is just so pretty against this pink that I had to have it. So I actually really love it. Okay, I'm hiding in a corner, drinking wine and enjoying my present here. Okay. Then, and this here, I actually used my gift on Valentine's Day, or my card holder anyways, and I used it with this beautiful purse my husband got me for Valentine's in 2012. So this is something that I do use, especially on Valentine's Day. I just thought it was a perfect color, and since he bought it for me on Valentine's Day, I don't know, I just love it so much. and I put my little card holder in there, my cell phone, and I dressed up, and my husband and I went to go eat sushi for Valentine's. It was so nice. It was nice to get out with him and enjoy our evening and talk about how we're going to be married for 10 years in June. So I'm so excited. 10 years, and I'm going to be 50 also in May. So wow. So I'm going to be 50 in May, and also celebrate my 10-year anniversary with my hubby. Okay, my next gift. You guys, this gift is so beautiful. I love it so much. I've been staring at it ever since that I've gotten it. Sorry, you guys, I need some wine. It's Friday night, and I love my wine. So, Friday night and wine time. Okay, here we go. You guys, this is so pretty, and it doesn't match with what I'm wearing, but oh my goodness. I saw this on the website, and I did not even think, the website does not do it any justice, okay? But when I went to the store and I saw this in person, I dropped the other one that I was holding that I thought I was gonna get, and I got me this beauty here. I mean, it is sheer. I can wear it in the summer, and I can wear it now in the winter. This scarf to me is just breathtaking. The color on this is beautiful. It literally matches my beautiful purse. And oh my goodness, this was not on my wish list, but I have a longer wish list than what I posted. Scarves are some of the things that I would like, that I wanted to put on my wish list, but I had to make it a little bit short so it's not so long, because in reality, I get really tired of long videos. I can't watch long videos. I don't know why, so I just assume everyone gets tired of mine. So anyways, here is my beautiful scarf. I know it doesn't match, but oh my goodness, I just think it's just gorgeous. And I got two amazing gifts, you guys. The website just does not do any justice with this. Let me tell you what this tag says here, so I can tell you which one it is. It just says Shaw Gary. Hell, it doesn't even have a freaking name. Shaw Gray. And it says shell light brown. Okay, I don't know. So, what do you guys think? Isn't that gorgeous? I think it's just so pretty. I love it so much, and I am so thankful that my husband went and bought me this. I just thought that was really, really sweet. And I am so thankful for everything and for God watching over me as I studied for my exam. And as bad as I did in high school, I was mainly a C student. As bad as I did, I was not sure that I can pass this, but maybe, you know, when you're younger, you just don't always do things right. And I'm older now, and I feel like, you know, I studied my hardest, and here I am. So I'm hoping that I am very successful at selling, and I am so excited to move forward in my career. I am still at training. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for supporting me. I've just been so busy doing this and trying to study, and I've been so stressed out. I was so stressed out I lost 6 pounds. Not that I didn't need to lose it, but anyways, thank you guys for supporting me. Please do not give up on me. I have been so busy, and I am going to be doing a lot of training, and I'm going to do my best to support my YouTubers as well. So thank you guys very much, and I guess that's all I have to say, and I guess that's it. I don't know. I'm enjoying my wine. Oh, let me show you what kind of wine I'm drinking. This is the first time I bought this one. And I bought it because it says it has blackberries in it, and it has luscious caramel and smooth toasted oak. I don't know. So, and there was another wine that I don't even remember what it's called, but it says it has dark chocolate in it. So I should buy that one next time after I finish this one, which is, you guys look, It's almost gone. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful weekend and God bless. Bye.